Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable Omnibox Favicons on your Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. So if you were to open up your browser and up at the top URL bar, basically this is if you were going to do any suggested searches. So let's say you start typing in Google, it might give you some suggested options for your search results here. So basically this is a functionality that would show a little icon next to the search results. So if you're going on a Microsoft web page, it might be a little Microsoft icon next to it. If you're going to go on Google, it might have a little Google symbol here. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable that. So there's going to be a link in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy that and then paste it up in the top URL bar. It should start with Edge and then a colon, 2 forward slashes, and then followed by this text that you see on my screen here. You want to hit enter on your keyboard to go directly here, and it should say Omnibox ui-show-suggestion-favicons. So show favicons instead of generic vector icons for URL suggestions in the Omnibox dropdown. So if you want to show this, you're going to go select the dropdown, select enabled. You're going to have to restart the browser, so go ahead and just select restart. And now if you go ahead and try and type something into the top URL bar. So let's go ahead and disable it. And then if we selected restart, and now if we try typing in Google into the URL bar, you notice that it no longer has the Google image next to it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.